In many organizations, data lives in silos, space planning in one system, maintenance in another, and capital planning somewhere else. But what if you could unify that data into one powerful visual story and see a complete picture of your operations and costs? With Archibus integrated into Power BI, you can bridge those silos and unlock insights that were previously buried in disconnected systems or inaccessible to users outside of a particular specialization. Take this example. By combining maintenance backlog data from Archibus with real-time occupancy metrics, facility managers can prioritize repairs in high-traffic areas, maximizing impact while minimizing disruption. Need flexibility? Power BI's dynamic filters let you drill down by location, asset class, time period, anything you want, tailoring the view to your audience from executives to technicians. Using Archibus's REST APIs, data flows securely and in real time with no manual exports and no stale reports. With mobile views and easy exports, whether you're in the field or the boardroom, insights are always at your fingertips, ready to share, export, or act on. Archibus with Power BI gives you a complete picture of your data, whether it be costs, budgets, operations, or more. This turns data into decisions and silos into strategy.